Hey everyone, today we are making Harina de Maiz. This is a classic Puerto Rican breakfast food that we enjoy that is so simple to make. It is essentially cornmeal porridge made with corn, masa, milk, honey, a little bit of butter, and any toppings you want. This is one of those breakfast recipes that comes together in a matter of minutes. We'll start by combining our milk in a saucepan with some butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. I like to whisk everything together before I turn the heat on just to make sure that the sugar is evenly distributed. And then you can turn the heat on and continue to whisk just to get that butter melted and also evenly incorporated. And once that happens, we'll whisk in our harina de maiz. And you'll notice that this begins to thicken extremely quickly. So you want to keep a close eye on it and continue to whisk until it reaches your desired consistency, and at this stage you can turn the heat off and you're ready to serve. It's really up to you how you'd like to serve this. You could use fresh fruit or granola or really anything, but traditionally we do a little bit of butter, some cinnamon, and honey. Buen provecho!